Form this unique toothpick dart using just your hand. Hold it between your fingers, flick your wrist, and watch it fly straight to the target. Simple, fast, and super satisfying. Try. Make this unique spinning paper craft in just 40 seconds. All you need is a sheet of paper, scissors, gum, and a stapler. Fold, cut, unfold, and watch it spin beautifully with just a little blow. This easy DIY paper toy is perfect for kids, school projects, and fun creative time at home. Try this amazing spinning paper design and surprise your friends with your craft skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative paper ideas.
Did you know airplanes are struck by lightning almost once a year and still land safely? A Boeing 747 has over 6 million parts. Planes can fly at 35,000 feet, where temperatures drop to -50 degrees Celsius. The world's largest passenger plane, the Airbus A380, can carry over 800 people. And here's a cool one. Airplane tires are filled with nitrogen, not regular air. Watch till the end, but don't forget to like and subscribe.
Create something magical with just one paper fold. In this YouTube short, learn how to make an origami chain of people using a simple folding and cutting trick. With just one sheet of paper and a few careful cuts, you'll reveal a connected line of paper people holding hands. Perfect for classroom crafts, decorations, or fun DIY projects. It's easy, satisfying, and super fun to try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing paper craft ideas. Let's get folding!